What the hell's going on?
A squad of what we believe to be East Asian commandos are taking over the bank. They're demanding $500 million.
They just clipped Ivan at the hangar. What's this bank got to do with any of it?
All Cyprus holding deposits were transferred here yesterday, that's what.
This general is obviously getting desperate, but I got him where I want him. The SWAT team is on its way.
You gonna start a war out here? Aren't there people inside?
You just stay out of this, Kang. I'll handle it my way. Got it?
Forget it, man. I'm going in.
Kang, you're disobeying. A direct order. Down.